Hello and welcome, dear students. We have reached the fourth week of September, and this learning target is for the week beginning from the 20th of September, expanding till 24th of September. We continue with the sermon at Banaras. The video was already, the teacher's lecture was already uploaded for the students' reference, and it is expected that the students have already gone through it. We are going to continue with the exercises. We'll summarize it during the class this week, and we'll progress to the question answers and the CBSE question paper answers as revision and practice. The poem which was not covered in the past week is Madam Rides the Bus. The students are expected to read this, and it is expected that the poem is to be done for appreciation of poetry, and this should come for the students from the students side rather than the teacher explaining the poem, because the students literary aspect of appreciation of poem is to be developed. The same applies to the second poem which was skipped during the past week. It is expected that the students read, analyze, appreciate the poem, that is the tale of Custard the Dragon. Reading comprehension, it continues the second book, that is Footprints Without Feet. The students are expected to continue with that book, and with certain references to be established from grade 9 and then meeting the grade 10 target. Certain aspects of certain characters and qualities to be recorded. Only then we will progress with the characters and character analysis. For writing, it is expected that the students revisit all the writing formats done so far, that is paragraph writing, letter writing, formal letter of complaint, letter to the editor, writing a report, writing an article, speech writing, descriptive writing, writing a paragraph about a person, a place, event. Diary entry is expected, as the students are already recording their journal with a reference to the project on pandemic. The letter writing is also expected, and the students are also expected to practice independently all the 5 stages of writing, that is pre-writing. Pre-writing is collecting the ideas. Drafting is the first drafting, whatever ideas come to your mind. Then it is reordering paragraphs, sentences, vocabulary. Then is editing, and final stage is publishing. This is an independent practice. Students are expected to practice it throughout without the teacher telling them when to do and what to do. Apart from that, the students should be well prepared to certain questions based on asset, which is definitely based on grammatical concepts, analyzing characters, situations, punctuations, structure formation. With reference to structure and structure formation, the students are expected to refer the video on phrases and clauses, where the sentence structure, the basic, simple, complex, compound and complex structure has been discussed. With reference to the reading comprehension, we will be continuing to the Footprints Without Feet. This portion is included, and our target this week is to revisit the learning targets of the last week and see whatever was pending, and this week we need to complete the test term 1 portion, because till 30th of September whatever is taught will be featuring in the term 1 examination. With reference to the workbook, it is unit number 7 that we will be doing and completing and submitting. And workbook again is an independent exercise. So this week is more or less an independent exercise week, where the onus is more on the students than the teacher directed lectures. With reference to vocabulary parade, it is expected that the students come across words which are either new to them. If the known words are known, then the students are expected to look for synonyms and antonyms and record their word builder in their notebook. The students when they submit their notebooks for submission, this independent exercise should be a part of that submission. Literature questions, whatever literature we do, we are expected to do. We are expected to cover the textbook questions, the comprehension check questions, and record it in a notebook. We should not be waiting for the teacher to tell to do these question answers in our notebook. Once the learning target is announced, the grade 10 students are expected to begin working with those topics and questions. And with regard to the poem appreciation, this week the onus is on the students. The students are expected to look for the meaning, identify the main idea, explain the lines in the class. It is not a teacher directed lecture on poetry. Essay, illustration, find references with regard to writing, so that whatever format is expected, you have ready quotations for that. Reading comprehension using different strategies, the strategies for looking for difficult meanings, contextual clues will be discussed in the class. Listening comprehension will be based on the teacher's choice. Quite a few reading comprehensions have been uploaded. Those are informational texts taken from periodicals and magazines. The students are expected to read them. There are certain questions written in the description box in the under the video. Students are expected to work on those as well. With reference to the social studies, historical references regarding Buddha, students are expected to find out from history, and there are certain other references with regard to the biographical sketch of Buddha, early life, his beginning to preaching. These are the aspects the students should refer. With reference to Arabic, the students are supposed to find two words, look for translation, and try making sentences in Arabic. This is a cross-curricular link that is to be established between English and Arabic. And then with reference to the Islamic education, the students are expected to refer their similar context in Islamic history, where a person was made to understand something by real life experience. We have one experience from the story of Buddha. The students are expected to find some reference where the teaching was done through an example. Coming to the learning targets of the CBSE, we have main idea, identify the main idea and details, analyze the text and comment, build an argument with support with details, develop a perspective and debate on a topic, develop the character with an aspect to support it with details from the text. The students are expected to record their skills tracker every week. This will be the 4th skill tracker, and at the end of the month all the 4 skills tracker will be submitted for evaluation. Those who have recorded themselves somewhere at the emergent level, by the 4th week there should be some progress. Those who have recorded themselves in the progressing level, they should have met the target by now, because within 4 weeks, that's a skill, revisiting those skills and revising and developing on it, one should have met it. And anyone who has met the target in the previous level should have exceeded if the skills were revisited. The students who are new to my class are requested to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and all the students are requested to hit like, so that this gets learning targets get added in their auto-generated list of videos, and the students are expected to refer it throughout the week and near test and examinations. Thank you very much for your precious time.